Hi, it's nice to see you again in Enchantment with Angel. So, are you ready for today's enchanting recipe? It's curry leaves fish fry. Let's get started. Take a handful of curry leaves. To this, add quarter spoon of Asafoetida, salt according to taste, 3 green chilies. You can adjust it based on the spiciness you like, and grind this to a fine paste. Add this ground paste to 500 grams of fish. I'm using sardine. Mix this well. And to this, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well. And let it marinate for about 15 minutes. In a pan, add some oil. And once the oil is heated, add the marinated fish and fry on a medium heat. And your delicious fish fry is ready to be served. Serve hot. Isn't this fish fry so simple and easy to make with the ingredients you find at home? Do give it a try. And follow for more interesting videos. Until we meet again, be enchanted.